loves, welcome back to my channel. Your girl Brittany here, and I have a project share that I want to do. This is the August swap that is being hosted over on the Facebook page, Loaded Envelopes Galore and More. And with this swap, we were to make loaded banner boxes. Now there is a tutorial given by us, I can't remember the girl's name, but we'll have it linked down below in the description box. But I had originally seen this created and a tutorial made by Ariel, who is the glam shop lady here on YouTube, and I'll link her video down below as well. So what we were to make were these 3 boxes here, and then we were to load them up with goodies. One box was to consist of a tassel, and the last 2 boxes were to be of 2 sets, or a set of 4 embellishments. And for this swap, I am absolutely in love with this paper pad. It is called Tickle and Tweet. It's a paper studio by Hobby Lobby, and I got it on clearance. And I actually had got the card set, and that was on clearance way before the paper pad was, and so I was super excited when the paper pad got marked down as well. So this is what I created. I think this turned out so stinking cute. It's just so fun. I love it. I love the colors. You know, these are my colors, and I just, oh, so cute. And with banners, I always feel like words have to be displayed, so I have punched out, not punched out, but I had die cut the words hey, H-E-Y for hay, and then I did a braided handle for the hanging, and so all I have to do is just put a push pin on this in there, and it'll just hang up if they want to go ahead and hang it. And then I also added these little bows at the end there, and then so yeah, they are pretty much identical. I just did some little twists and turns with this, so this part's going towards the left, this part's going towards the right, and then this one sits in the middle. And then I had these little bows here that I had added on to and tied it off to just add a little bit of oomph to it. And then I just did a bunch of layering with crepe paper rosettes, and then the bow is a cut file on the silhouette cameo, and I will leave that design number down below in the description box for you. Then I also added some flat back pearls. These little hummingbirds here is also a cut file on the cameo, and it actually comes like when you first, like how it already has like free images for you to cut with, it actually comes on the machine. And so in this first box here is my tassel that I made, and it's pretty thick, so that's why it doesn't close all the way. And so here is the tassel that I created. This is so cute. Alright, so here is the lobster clasp at the top, and then I just added those Hobby Lobby beads. This tassel portion here I got from KG Crafts, and then I tied it off with the bow, that same like lace stretchy trim, and then added these black and white beads and a key here, and then I just used a different trims and laces as part as the tails of it. So I have like the gold stars, and then the beads here, the little swans here, and then other little pieces there. So that is the tassel that we were supposed to make. And then as far as embellishments, I made, oh, and these are how the boxes open. I guess I should explain that part. So that's why they're called a loaded banner, or box banner, however you want to say it. So you just open it up like that, and then I just did a set of these bows, and I just gave gold tails, and then the paper from the collection, and then added the little mint flowers in the center, so it correlates with the paper collection that I use. And then I had to do an additional little baggie because all 4 of my rosettes did not fit in the box, but that is my last set of embellishments that I created. So I just, you know, put together my scraps, and I just added like the little hummingbird with a little bow tie, and then the fun little hand-drawn heart, and it says shine bright, and then some little heart pieces, and then they all are pretty much emulating each other, except these are the different hearts here, and I used some puffy paint. This says happy little moments, then this one says so sweet, And then I use stickles on this one and this one as well. And then this one says think happy. And so those are my embellishments that are required for this swap. I really hope that my partner will like what I created for her. I'm hoping that you guys like what I created as well. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and make sure you don't forget to subscribe to your girl. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.